I have the Samsung Galaxy A54 and I'll be showing you how to turn off or how to disable notification reminders. So go to settings. On the main settings page, go to notifications, tap on that, and then under notifications, tap on advanced settings, and then go to notification reminders, and you can decide to turn all notification reminders off from there. Okay, but also you can leave that on, tap on that. That gets you into the notification reminder settings. Again, you can turn it off from here. That will turn all notification reminders off. But if you leave it enabled, you can choose specific apps to turn off notification reminders for. So if I come here, I can go ahead and look for I can see all the apps that have notification reminders on. Those are the apps which have this blue toggle button. That means notification reminders are enabled. So if I want to disable, for instance, maybe I want to disable reminders for the Samsung Health app, I'll simply turn that off. Okay. Maybe for Google Meet, I can turn that off. Maybe even for Samsung Messages, I can turn that off. So that's basically how to turn off notification reminders for specific apps. And then to turn off completely, just use that toggle button, and that's going to turn off all notification reminders. And then you can go back all the way to the home screen, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.